Okay, real talk? A black hole could be heading straight for our solar system right now, and nobody would know. No alerts, no breaking news, nothing blowing up your phone. Because black holes? They're invisible. Straight up. No light, no glow. Just gravity pulling everything in. Quiet as hell. So today we're breaking it down step by step. What actually goes down if a stellar mass black hole rolls up into our solar system? From way out past Pluto, all the way to Earth, getting absolutely wrecked. And here's the part that'll mess with your brain. The first thing that breaks isn't space, it's time. So first off, why can't we even see this thing coming? A stellar mass black hole, basically what's left when a massive star collapses in on itself, is tiny, like just a few kilometers across. But the gravity? Insane. Packed so tight that not even light can escape. So yeah, telescopes? Useless. You're not catching this thing in a photo. What you would notice though, is something weird happening to the stars behind it. Their light starts bending, warping, looking all twisted, like space itself is glitching. That effect, it's called gravitational lensing. Sometimes it even makes a perfect ring of light, like a halo. And if that shows up in the sky, yeah, that's not normal. That's your sign something massive just pulled up, and it's not slowing down. Now, at this point, it's still crazy far out. Hasn't even reached Neptune or Pluto yet. But gravity doesn't care about distance. Way out at the edge of the solar system, there's this huge cloud of icy debris. Billions of comets just chilling. That's the first thing that gets hit. The black hole starts nudging them, one by one, sending them flying inward like cosmic missiles. Then Neptune's orbit starts wobbling. Just a little, like tiny shifts. But in space, tiny hits different, because everything's connected. One planet moves, the rest start feeling it. And then Jupiter, the big guy, the one that's been shielding Earth from asteroids forever, starts drifting. And when Jupiter moves, yeah, no, nobody's protecting us anymore. Now it's getting real. The black hole's close enough that Earth starts feeling it. First thing to go crazy? The oceans? Normally tides are just the moon pulling on Earth. Nothing wild. But now you've got a black hole in the mix, and it's pulling way harder. Water starts acting weird. Tides get extreme. Coastal cities start flooding for no reason. No storm, no warning. Just gravity dragging the ocean around. Then our tech starts folding. Satellites glitch out. GPS? Gone. Power grids start failing. Communication starts dropping. And scientists notice something subtle, but terrifying. Earth's rotation is slowing down. Not enough for you to feel it instantly, but enough to measure. That's when governments would have to speak up. But let's be honest. What are they going to say? There's no escape plan for this. Nowhere to run? By now, you can actually see it. There's this patch in the sky where stars just disappear. A dark spot. Empty, but around it, everything looks warped. Light bending, curving, like reality itself is breaking. And there's this glowing ring around it. Super bright, super hot. That stuff getting sucked in, spinning so fast it heats up and starts shining. That thing is blasting radiation. Satellites start dying. Even pilots way up high can see it glowing out there. Down on Earth, things get worse. The pull is uneven now. One side of Earth is getting yanked harder than the other. Buildings start cracking, not from earthquakes, just from space pulling on them. Rivers shift. Land starts stretching ever so slightly. And that's still not the worst part, because now we're getting into the physics that really breaks your brain. There's something called the Roche limit. That's the point where gravity gets so intense, it literally tears objects apart. Like Saturn's rings? That used to be a moon. Got too close. Ripped to pieces. If Earth gets that close, same thing. First, the atmosphere gets stripped away, the air, gone. Pulled off into space. Then the oceans. Water starts lifting straight up. Entire seas rising into the sky. Then the crust cracks. Volcanoes everywhere. The inside of Earth starts spilling out. And then Earth itself starts stretching. Pulled long in one direction, squeezed in the other. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. Sounds funny, but it's not. The whole planet turns into this stretched out stream of matter, spiraling into the black hole. Everything, oceans, land, cities, all of it, becomes part of this glowing ring of destruction. And then comes the part that really messes with your head. Gravity doesn't just pull on objects, it pulls on time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. Near a black hole, time basically starts freezing. At the edge, what scientists call the event horizon, time stops completely. So if you were watching all this from far away, you wouldn't see Earth fall in. You'd see it slow down, more and more, slower, dimmer, fading, until it just freezes, right there at the edge. never fully disappearing, just stuck forever. And here's the thing that should actually keep you up at night. Our galaxy has millions of black holes just drifting around. No light, no warning, no sound. We can't really see them unless they're already messing with something. So yeah, somewhere out there right now, a black hole is moving through space, on its own path, doing its thing. And if it ever decides to roll through our neighborhood, we wouldn't know until it's already too late.